How to use an up roller wheel with unique power multi-grip. Remember, because you're using a FIT4U up roller wheel, plus with our unique power multi-grip you can do the following exercises, using either the standard grip or, if you want to intensify the exercise, the power grip. Starting position. Kneel down on the floor with your knees bent, or stand up and bend down if you prefer. Grip the bars of the up roller with both hands. Push the roller forward along the floor and let your body be stretched in a straight line. Inhale as you push out. Finishing position. Stretch out your body as much as you can over the roller wheel and hold the position for 2 to 3 seconds. Try and make sure your body does not touch the floor. Pull yourself up to starting position. Remember to use your abs to pull yourself back, not your hips. Exhale as you pull back. Points to remember. Always do the up roller exercises slowly. Tighten your abs before you start. Keep them tight during the whole exercise. Try not to drop your body down. Try and keep your back straight, don't let it hollow. To avoid overstretching before you build up your strength, it can be helpful to restrict the distance you can roll by doing it against a wall. If you're a beginner, 3 sets of 8 to 10 repetitions is a good target. So don't miss out. To get your own FIT4U up roller wheel, plus with our unique power multi-grip, just click the link below. Let's get rolling today.